Hi, this is Ethan from Mini Crunch Family Farm Homestead, and this is a part of our farm life.
Listen to our Muscovy talking to ya. Hi, duckies. Are you guys talking to us? Hi, Rue. We have a lot of goodies for them today. We have some leftover salad. We have leftover spaghetti. They love noodles. Usually we don't waste spaghetti. I wanted to clarify that. But we went shopping and got a bunch of fruits and vegetables. And we ran out of space in the refrigerator. So I decided to treat the chickens today with some leftover spaghetti. We have a little bit of watermelon. Fruits and vegetables in here. I'll take you inside in a second to see all of our new baby chicks and baby ducklings that we have too. I feel like we never have to waste anything again. Our girls will eat. We try to keep them real healthy and eat organic like us as much as possible, but they're eating tomatoes and watermelon and blackberries down there. Our two girls that we've had on the farm for a while ventured in here to be with the rest of them. The three Muscovy ducks are still outside, but it's cute how my two girls come in here to join the rest of the ducks. Still can't get the new ones to come outside yet, but that's fine. They want to stay in the little barn. We're going to let them until they're ready to come out and look at the outside, but we leave the door open for them to try to come out. Oh, okay, we'll wait till she's done laying. We only have 2 nesting boxes at this time, so we got a third one. We'll see how they do in it. And I'm going to have Tommy to make a couple more so we can get it, so they can have more rooms and we get more chicks. Dylan's putting some hay in here. She loves it. She's already in her new box. Don't touch her, Evan. Or Grayson, I mean. Sorry. Grayson, don't touch her when she's trying to get in there. They love their little bath.
Just pick it up.
They were all playing in the water, so now they're all cleaning themselves off. Chicken thinks she better come in here and enjoy the ducks' feast. Julian, our baby girl. Our littlest farmer right here. This is our littlest farmer. Okay, come here. Come put the eggs in the basket. Evan, how many eggs did you get so far? How many eggs? 2. Good job. Hi, pretty boy. There's 3 of our kitties. Here's our 2 little new ducklings we got. What are their names, guys?
Star and Biscuit. Yeah.
Star and Biscuit. And here's our 6 new little chickens. 6 new baby chicks. Supposed to be all girls. We got them and made sure we got all girls since we already have a rooster out there. And we're incubating 11 of them right now, so we might get some new roosters anyway. So we're trying to get as many girls as we can get. Our baby chickies and our baby duckies. Dylan's going to tell you all their names.
Penguin, Gray,
Brownie, Dove, and I think that one's oatmeal.
Okay.
And forget the last one.
Peeps. Peeps is the last one. Baby Peep. Well, Petrie, but I'm going to call her Peep.
I'm holding it. I'm really wanting to get Penny. Her name is Gray Gray, and she's my chicken, and she's a good chicken. Gray Gray, Biscuit is my duck, and he's a really cute looking duck.
What's her name, Aiden?
Her name is Pink.
Oh, I want to show you guys our St. Patrick's Day table and tree. I know this is not, maybe includes farming, but it's cute and it's part of our lives. Here's this Sleeping Beauty. Trying to get her to get up and show you some animals of hers.
This is Star. This is my duck.
Dylan and Dino. Awake, sleeper, and arise from the dead, and Christ will shine on you. Ephesians 5:14. God bless. Have a good day.